Hi, my name is Nate Springer. I'm a clinical educator here at Phil Hour Motion Control. And today we're going to talk about some general maintenance and cleaning for the motion arm. These motion arms are meant to be out there being used in conditions that can be wet and dirty. It's a robust elbow. But we also want to make sure that we're taking care of it so it lasts as long as possible. Okay? Some general things, battery, charging your battery. Motion arm is going to come with this nice wall charger. It has a magnetic end here. And that's simply going to plug right back here into the back of the elbow, okay? Just a magnetic charge. When that happens, your charger on the wall, the LED light is going to turn red. When it is fully charged, your LED is going to turn green on that charger, okay? That lets you know that your motion arm is fully charged and ready to go. A low battery warning will either beep or buzz when the battery is down to 20% capacity. You should consider charging the elbow at this point. Also, another reminder, never charge the elbow while you are wearing it, and always use the charger that was supplied with the motion arm, as other chargers may damage that battery. Okay, I just recommend charging this just like your cell phone. Okay, every night when you take your prosthesis off, it's a good idea to go ahead and plug it into the charger, just so you know you're ready to go the next day or the next time that you may need to put on that prosthesis. Okay. So now that we've covered the battery and charging the motion arm, let's talk about keeping it clean and or cleaning it. Again, the motion arm, it can get wet, right? This is rated IP67, so it's submersible. All of this elbow is all sealed. However, we still want to make sure that we're cleaning it, okay? Light soap, detergent, and water, and then just drying it. That will help keep this thing clean. If you do get this thing splashed or submerged by salt water, if you're near the ocean, that's fine. Just please make sure that you rinse it thoroughly with fresh water after you're done with that activity. One thing to be aware of, if we are cleaning these things, what we don't want to use is solvents, acetone, gasoline, things like that. They can break down some properties in the plastic. If you do need to spot clean certain areas that may stain, a rubbing alcohol and a cloth should take care of anything like that. Other things that you may need to know on the manual lock, okay, you'll have a pull string here, a pull cord to lock and unlock the elbow. If you see signs of this starting to fray, or if it just completely breaks, please contact your prosthetic clinic. This is something that they can very easily replace for you. As you're using this arm, keep in mind that the elbow will support up to 50 pounds in that locked position. Anything heavier could put a strain on that elbow and damage it. So as you can see, this is meant to be a very simple elbow for you to use. If at any point you feel like you have any issues or it's not functioning properly, please contact your prosthetic clinic. Thanks for watching this short tutorial on how to take care of and care for your motion arm. If you have any other questions, go to our website at philhour.com.